Hi there, folks. Would you join me while I make up a batch of my sour cream biscuits?
To start the process, you'll want to set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while you stir together the mix for the biscuits. You need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next into the mix is 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Followed by 1 teaspoon of salt. Time to grate some cheese. You want about 1 cup of grated old cheddar and about half a cup of mozzarella grated. Stir to combine the dry ingredients. Form a well in the middle of the flour and cheese mix. Into the well, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now add 1.5 cups of sour cream. Mix to combine with the flour mix. Add enough water so that the dough is thick but thin enough to drop with a wet spoon. Grease up a non-stick muffin tray. I use a cooking spray made of extra virgin olive oil, but butter or margarine would work just as well. Using a wet spoon, spoon the dough into the tray. Re-wet the spoon in between each scoop. Time to place the biscuits in the oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The biscuits need to bake for approximately 30 minutes. Time to remove the biscuits from the oven. The biscuits should be set aside to cool and should appear to be slightly brown on the top.
And here we are, folks, the finished project. I'm going to have me one of these bad boys. Get me a little bit of margarine here. That's good. They're so light and airy, they almost float off the plate as they melt in your mouth. Good eating. Till next time, well, keep safe and well.